cover on first.
Huh?
The other cover on first.
I was waiting so yeah, still some air can get in there.
Hey Dave, guess what? Guess what, Dave? Hey, you're gonna have to get wet. It's all good experience.
Thanks, mate.
It's coming. You're gonna walk out in your shoes. If I was control, I'll try and get it keep coming in while you're going out.
This is definitely going on Facebook. Better yet, I'm going to put it on YouTube. Watch out for sudden drops.
I'll laugh my fucking ass off if there was a drop right there.
Oh, it's fucking freezing. My legs feel like they're fucking in ice. Oh, prop come off.
Just there.
Yeah, up in the end.
That's probably why I didn't get going. I've got super glue in the ute too.
Oh, super wrong. Do you want to run up to the van, Bob?
No, I'm busy.
Please.
Now he looks like he's wearing a skirt.
And grab fuck off. And grab a shirt out there so I can dry my legs.
Go on.
You can be a real mean bitch, Beth. Go get me fucking shit.
Okay. Okay.
Fuck, that water was so cold, man. Like it wasn't further out.
I know.